Hello students, welcome to Form 4 ICT second midterm first lesson. There is a chapter 2 software on page number 42 to 58. From this video, you are going to study about what is a software and what is a system software and also utility software. Under the utility software, you will be able to learn about backup, defragmentation, compression and formatting. Next one is operating system. Under the operating system, you are going to study about memory management and resource management. Next one is application software. Last one is office productivity software. Under this, you are going to learn about word processing software, then desktop publishing software, spreadsheet software and a database software. So children, here I am going to teach you what is software. Do you have any idea about software? I think you already know what is a software, no? In Form 2, Form 3 also, you learn about softwares. Then, children, a software is often used to describe all the functional aspects of a computer that do not refer to its physical components. What is that physical components, children? That is hardware. Okay. Then scripts, applications, programs and a set of instructions are all terms often used to describe what? Softwares. Yes. Then that everything runs on a computer from an operating system to a diagnostic tool, video game or app can be defined as software. Then children, this software mainly divided into two parts. What are those? I think you all know. Yes. That is system software and application software. Later we will discuss about those softwares. In this slide, I am going to explain about what is a system software. Then tell me what is a system software. I think already you know what is system software. So children, system software is a software on a computer that is designed to control and work with computer hardware. The two main types of system software are operating system and the software installed with the operating system. What is that? That is a utility software. Yes. Then in some cases, the operating system and utility software depend on each other to function properly. Yes. Then some system software is used directly by users and other system software works in the background. So children, this software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. If we think of the computer system as a laid model, okay, the system software is the interface between the hardware and user application. The operating system OS is the best known example of what, children? Yes, system software. The OS manages all the other programs in a computer. On this slide, I am going to talk about utility software. Then, the utility software is a software proves the function of computer infrastructure to help users perform multiple tasks efficiently. Some of the functions performed by various utility software include data compression, data recovery, disk defragmentation, then computer resources and file management, and also system diagnosis and more. So children, then here you can see some examples of utility software. First one is security software. Under that, there are what? Antivirus and firewalls and so are there. Then second one, software to check our hard disks. What is that? The cleanup software. Yes, I think you already know about those utility softwares. So children, from this slide I am going to explain what is a backup. A backup software that copies data from a single machine or from selected computers in a network to a storage medium. At periodic intervals, a backup of entire hard drive or selected files and folders can be performed. Backup programs can also be set up to back up files automatically right after they have been updated and saved. This software also has the ability to compress data to reduce the amount of backup space required, as well as versioning control for maintaining different versions of same files. What is the defragmentation? Defragmentation is the process of locating the non-cognition fragments of data into which a computer file may be divided as it is stored on a hard disk, and rearranging the fragments and restoring them into fewer fragments or into the whole file. Defragmentation reduces data access time and allows storage to be used more efficiently. Some operating systems automatically defragment storage periodically. Others require that the user occasionally use a special utility for this purpose. So children, Windows 98, that is a old version, comes with a built-in defragmenter as a system tool that the user can run. So then the Windows XP comes with the utility called disk defragmenter. I think you already got idea about what is that defragmentation. For more information, you can check your book. Here, children, I am going to talk about what is the compression. Did you know what is that? Yes, I think you already know something about this compression, no? A compression utility is a software program that is used to compress or decompress files. Then, the most often such a software program is used to compress files of various formats that are no longer being actively used and reduce their size so that they take up about 40% less space on hard disk. Then here you can see some examples of compression utilities. What is that? WinZip, then WinAce, then WinZip and WinRR. Then you can see these are the examples of compression utilities. What is formatting? Disk formatting prepares storage media such as hard disk drive or USB flash drive for its first use. If a disk has already been used, then formatting it will make all of the data on the disk unreadable by normal application. Then you can see the formatting comprises low level formatting, partitioning and high level formatting. If you look at this example, you can see how to format a USB flash drive. Look at that example. Let's discuss about operating system. An operating system is the primary software that manages all the hardware and other software on a computer. The operating system, also known as an OS, interfaces with the computer's hardware and provides services that application can use. An operating system is the core set of software on a device that keeps everything together. Every desktop computer, tablet, and smartphone includes an operating system that provides basic functionality for the device. You can see some examples of operating system. There are Windows, then Ubuntu, then Apple. So are there. If you search for internet, you can see what are the operating systems. Under the operating system, we are going to talk about memory management, resource management, and security. So let's see what is memory management. Memory management is an essential function of the operating system. This comes under one of the two main functions of an operating system, and resource management. Then resource management. What is a resource management? Resource management is the process of pre-planning, scheduling, and allocating your resources to maximize efficiency. So, what is the security? Then the security refers to provide a protection system to computer system resources such as CPU, memory, then disks, software programs, and the most importantly data, information stored in the computer system. And the other one is print spooling. What is that? The print spooler program allows user to delete a print job being processed or otherwise manage the print jobs currently waiting to be printed. So children, if we go through with what is application software, we can find it is capable of dealing with user inputs and helps the user to complete the tasks. It is called end user programs or only an app. It resides above system software. First user deals with system software. After that he or she deals with application software. The end user uses application software for a specific purpose. It programmed for simple as well as complex tasks. It either be installed or accessed online. It can be a single program or a group of small programs that refer to as an application suite. Some examples of application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, then presentation, graphics, sending emails. Okay, later we will discuss about those application softwares. So children, next topic is word processing software. What is that? That is one of application software. Yes. Why we use word processing software? Let's see. Word processing software is used to manipulate, format the text to create memos, letters, faxes, and documents. Processing software is used to format and beautify the text. Okay, some examples of word processing softwares are, you can see in the picture, also have LibreOffice, then Microsoft Word, then Google Docs, like that. Then when you use the word processing software as Microsoft Word, you can see First, you can create your document. After that, you can edit, format your document. After that, you need to save your document. After you saving your document, you can print your document as a very beautiful document. What is formatting? Disk formatting prepares storage media such as hard disk drive or USB flash drive for its first use. If a disk has already been used, then formatting it will make all of the data on the disk unreadable by normal application. Then you can see the formatting comprises low level formatting, partitioning and high level formatting. If you look at this example, you can see how to format a USB flash drive. Look at that example. Spreadsheets. I think no need to explain more about spreadsheet because you have another lesson about spreadsheet. Spreadsheet software is an application software capable of organizing, storing and analyzing data in tabular form. The application can provide digital simulation of paper counting worksheets. They can also have multiple interacting sheets with data represented in text, numeric or in a graphic form. So children, when we go through with what is DBMS, then the database is a collection of data related to any applications. Today is environment, every application has some database where data regarding user stored. For this purpose, we use database software. When we operate, the application data is accessed from the database and after manipulation, it gets back stored in database. Database management system software tool used for storing, modifying, extracting and searching for information within a database. MySQL, MS Access, Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle is the example of database application software. So children, this is a sample question of last year third term examination. That is a question number 2, part F. The accountant of this company wants to complete the following tasks. Identify the most appropriate type of application software which can be used for his task. Here they gave some tasks. You need to identify what is the application software he need to choose. First one is keeping records of renters. Second one, calculating rent charges for renters. Third one, producing letters for renters. Last one, producing advertising leaflets about the rent charges of circles. I think that is very easy questions. You can answer the question to writing what are the most suitable application software he need to choose. This is the end of our video. I think you already got some idea about the first part of software. Let's meet with next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.